Welcome student. Today we will continue class 11th physics second chapter units and measurement. Students, we have already completed percentage of error and types of error already told you. Instrumental error, imperfection in experimental technique, personal error, random error, and students at least list account error, absolute error, relative error, percentage error. And after these completion, we have already completed dimension. What is the dimension? I have already told. Dimension of physical quantity are the powers to which the base quantity are raised to represent that quantity. It means students, किसी भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी की डायमेंशन उसके बेस क्वांटिटी के ऊपर पावर होती है. पावर मीन्स घात 2 की 3 की, एटलीस्ट दैट पावर raised to its base quantity, that is known as dimension. Already I have told students dimension of physical quantity, just students, speed, distance upon time. निश्चित रूप से students, distance, that's dimension capital L, time capital T, big bracket, and that's students, that's we have to take time t nominator, that is LT पे minus 1, LT to the power minus 1. This means t to the power minus 1, that is the t is based quantity and the power minus 1, and L is length, basic quantity, and power 1. It means that is dimension of new kinds of quantity. Speed, just acceleration, rate of change of velocity. It means velocity, acceleration. You can already you have already clarified student. Acceleration is that is equal to delta v upon delta t, and delta v, that is already I have told you, lt to the power minus 1, and time t, that is also time, dimension of time capital T. And when we have pick up this t in nominator, that is t to the power minus 1, and already t to the power minus 1, that quantity acceleration, its dimension lt to the power minus 2. Similarly, we have to find out force F equal to m into a. M into a, it means that is already a, and F equal to m into a. M, dimension of m, capital M, and a, dimension of a already lt to the power minus 1 in next bracket. You can find out student dimension of force. mlt to the power minus 2. ml t to the power minus 2. That is dimension of force. This is L, students. And we have to find out dimension different physical quantity. Now let us start, students. Today our topics is students. I have already explained Usage of dimension. Students, I have already told. Check the dimensionally consistency of equation. यानी विभिन्न भौतिक राशियों के सूत्रों का ये डायमेंशनली रूप से करेक्ट है या नहीं है. वी हैव ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट एंड वी हैव चेक. नाउ सेकेंड यूजेज ऑफ डायमेंशन, that is checking the dimension, deducing relation among the physical quantities. यानी different physical quantity के भीतर we have to relationship, we have to search dimensionally relationship. In this current question, numerical problems, consider a simple pendulum. Students in lower classes, you have already seen a simple pendulum. It means that is a spherical ball, copper, and that hang with the help of a thread, that is, and one side we draw and free or move here and there. That's a simple pendulum. It means just that is rigid ball, and this is the motion first. That's a position of simple pendulum. Students, it means to and fro motion. Simple pendulum. Now this question, students, let's see. Consider a simple pendulum having a bob attached to a string. Bob attached to a string. एक डोरी से बंधा हुआ है. That oscillate under the action of force. और एक force of gravity. तो आकर्षण के अधीन वो गति कर रहा है. एक तरफ खींचने के बाद वो ऐसे ऐसे वाइब्रेट कर रहा है. स्टूडेंट्स, सपोज द पीरियड ऑफ ऑसिलेशन ऑफ सिंपल पेंडुलम डिपेंड्स ऑन its length L, mass of the bob small m, and the oscillation due to acceleration due to gravity g. Derive the expression for its time period. We have to derive a formula for time period. That time period depends students, length depends on mass and acceleration due to gravity. Students, we have to derive a formula with the help of dimension. Now let us start, students. To solve this problem, let's start. The dependence of time period T on the quantity L, G and M. Just students, let T is proportional to L to the power A, M to the power B and G to the power C, or T equal to K L to the power A, M to the power B, and G to the power C. On writing dimension of each physical quantity, both sides. Students, T, time period, students, dimension of time, capital T. K is constant, dimensionless quantity. L, length, L to the power L to the power A. M, mass, that is dimension capital M to the power B. And G, acceleration due to gravity, acceleration. Already told you students, Lt to the power minus 2 to the power C. Now we have to solve this. Add the power of light, physical quantity, M to the power B, L to the power A, and L to the power C, L to the power A plus C. Students, now T, there is only one place T, T to the power minus 2 into C, T to the power minus C, 2C. Once again, I repeat this, you can check how to this. Students, L to the power A here, and L to the power one step, L to the power A, M to the power B, that's A, you can write here, and this C multiply L to the power C, and T to the power minus 2 into C, T to the power minus 2C. Students, this will be T, that is equal to, add the same physical quantity power, M to the power B, L to the power A, and L to the power C, L to the power A plus C, L to the power A plus C. Or students, T to the power only minus, T to the power minus 2C. Now students, we can see T, this T you can write, students, M पे 0 or L पे 0 and T for this 1. You can write, because students, M पे 0 that is 1, L पे 0 that is 1, T to the power 1 that is T. You can write, students. Compare the power of same physical quantity. Compare the power. Same physical students, you can compare M to the power B and M पे 0, यानी power we have compare B equal to 0. Here we have compare power of M, that is M पे B and that is M for 0, and B equal to 0. Now power to the quantity L to the power 0 and L to the power A plus C, and A plus C equal to 0. Only power comparing, not L. A plus C, here L to the power 0, and that means A plus C equal to 0. Now T to the power minus 2C and T to the power 1, that's power only compare, minus 2C equal to 1. This means C equal to 1 upon minus 2. Now students, put the value from this. You can see students, a plus c equal to 0. It means a plus c की value, that's minus half, that is equal to, and this means a equal to half. A equal to half and a equal to half. Students, the value of a, that is half, and the value of students c, that is equal to minus half. Now put this value in this equation. Put this value, we can see student t equal to k l to the power a, l to the power a, the value of a, that is equal to l to the power a half, and students m to the power b, m, the value of b equal to 0, and m per 0, and the value of g, the value of c, the value of c equal to minus half. Definitely students, this indicates t equal to k m to the power 0. Students, it stands m to the power 0, it means 1. किसी भी वेरिएबल पावर 0 होती है तो दैट्स a to the power 0, दैट्स वैल्यू 1 हो जाती है. So that is 1, and that is t is proportional to t l पे power half, and that's inverse. That's students 1 minute, t to the power m to the g to the power minus half. Here g to the power minus half. That's g to the power minus half. G, that's below g to the power half, and this equal to k under root t under root l by g, and the value of k, experimentally the value of k equal to 2 pi, that's t equal to under root l by g. This is the formula, t equal to 2 pi under root l by g. This is the formula, dimensional formula in different physical quantity. Relation between, this is our required formula. The time period of simple pendulum, that's t is equal to under root length upon acceleration due to gravity. Now students, we have continue our next question. Let's join students. Question number 2. The SI unit of energy is J kilogram meter square per second square. That of speed V is meter per second and acceleration is meter per second square. Which of the formulae of kinetic energy K given below can you rule out on the basis of dimensional arguments? M stand for the mass of the body. Here first formula K, kinetic energy K equal to m square V cube, B K equal to half m V square, K equal to m into A, D K equal to half m V square plus m into A. Students, we have already noticed only quantity with the same physical dimension can be add or subtract to each other. Only only quantities with the same physical dimension with the this with same physical dimension added or subtracted, can be added or subtracted, can be added or subtracted differently. Students, we can see in first formula for kinetic energy, K equal to mv square m square v cube. Students, that is in question SI unit of energy, SI already SI unit of energy, that is equal to G equal to kilogram meter square per second square. Definitely, students, we check first formula, that's m square and v just students velocity, and velocity, students, the dimension of velocity you have already noticed, lt to the power minus 1. This is mismatch, m square, that is L cube t to the power minus 3. फर्स्ट फार्मूला. सेकेंड बी के लिए यू कैन सी हाफ के इक्वल टू हाफ एम बी स्क्वायर. हाफ न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू, dimensionless quantity, that m stand dimension of m, capital M. And now v the definitely students lt to the power minus 1, and that's square m multiply with l square and multiply minus 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 m l square t to the power minus 2. And just students k equal to third c, k equal to m into a, that is m dimension, that is m, and a acceleration, and the dimension of acceleration l to the power minus 2, that will be m l t to the power minus 2. And students, I have already told you only quantity with same physical dimension can be added or subtracted. So m into a and half mv square, m into a and half mv square. Half mv square dimension m l t to the power minus 2, and students, m into a dimension has been already searched out, m l square t minus 2. Both are different dimension, and I have already told you students, quantity with same physical dimension can be added or subtracted. दो भौतिक राशियां आपस में ऐड हो सकती हैं या सब्ट्रैक्ट हो सकती हैं if their dimension is same. But here students, half mv square dimension b half mv square dimension m l square t minus 2, and students for c m into a, C dimension m and t minus 2 both are added in D. So D that is in not equal to, not same physical quantity but add to each other. This is already incorrect formula. This is also incorrect. This is also incorrect. And this k equal to half mv square. That is dimensionally correct, students. That's ml square kilogram meter per second square. You can see, students, kilogram meter square. L is length, meter square, and t to the power minus 2. Students, lot of question has already given your exercise, and you have to practice it and ask me in next video. Thanks. Okay.